Hello third graders and welcome to the word study video for Yellow Sort 41, in which we're going to be looking at words that end with the J sound. Now remember, the J sound can be made with a J, but we're going to be focusing on when we use the G to make the J sound at the end of the word. So there's two major ways to say J at the end of the word: DGE or just GE. So both of these say J at the end of the word. And if you look at your words, they all end with the J sound. So there's going to be three categories. The main way to say J at the end of the word is by spelling it with a DGE. But another way you can spell it is with just the GE. Then the last category, it's kind of a strange category. The word might have RGE, LGE, or NGE at the end of the word. So this category is very strange. I'm sorry. I apologize now. These two are pretty straightforward. These are the weird ones. And there's no real trick to these words. You just need to study and remember whether it has a DGE, GE, or RGE, LGE, or NGE. So go ahead and pause the video and try to sort your words. All right, now that you have your words sorted, go ahead and open up your word study notebook and put today's date in the top right-hand corner. And pause the video again so that you can get the title, Yellow Sort 41, DGE versus GE, and the three categories. All right, now that your word study notebook looks like mine, let's go ahead and start with the words that end with DGE. Now, if you did this correctly, you will notice that there are a lot of these words. There are 11 total. Let's begin with our bold anchor word. It is edge. So notice that DGE all together says J. The other words are badge, badge, ridge, idge, ridge, pull, edge, pledge, lodge, lodge, fudge, fudge, judge, judge, bridge, bridge, edge, ledge, dodge, dodge, like dodgeball, and edge, hedge. So here are the 11 words, 3, 6, 9, 11, okay? They all end with DGE, and DGE says J. All right, in the next category, these words, it's a vowel that comes before the GE. So let's take a look at our bold anchor word. There are only 5 of these words. Age, age. How old are you? What is your age? All right, the other ones are age, stage, age, rage, age, cage, and huge, huge. I would study this one first. It's got the least amount. If you remember that these are the ones with just the GE, it will help with your DGE words as well. Then there's the last category. There are 8 words in this category, and you can actually hear the R before the J, hear the L before the J, and hear the N before the J. So this, when you hear the words and you hear R, L, or N before the J, then it'll go in this category. For example, let's look at our bold anchor word, large, large. Charge, charge. Range. Bulge. Bulge is like a bump. Change. Sponge. Plunge. And surge. Okay, these are some tricky words. They all end with the same j sound, like the J sound. But it's just important that you need to study and decide whether it ends with the DGE or GE.